Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing Google TV to run a browser. Enable developer options only if you need alternative apps, and allow install from unknown sources briefly. Once done, press the Home button and use Search to locate Chrome, Firefox, or an Android TV-compatible browser. Make sure your TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone if you'll use companion features. Use a USB or Bluetooth keyboard for easier typing. This saves time and avoids slow remote input while you navigate the web. Once you have the browser app, install it from the Play Store or sideload an APK via USB or ADB if the store lacks the TV version. After installation, open the app and grant essential permissions like storage, microphone, and location so sites function properly. Next, sign into your Google or browser account to sync bookmarks and passwords. This makes surfing smoother across devices. Finally, customize font size and zoom in settings so pages display well on a large TV screen. Now you're ready to browse. Use full screen mode for videos, enable desktop view for complex sites, and cast tabs from your phone when needed. Make sure to bookmark common sites and set a start page for quick access. If pages fail to load, clear the browser cache or disable problematic extensions first. These steps often resolve rendering problems. If issues persist, restart the TV, check Wi-Fi, and reinstall the browser. That combination fixes most common errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.